Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disable autoplay feature on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable autoplay feature on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings, click on Devices, and in left pane you will find an option autoplay. Click on autoplay. Use autoplay for all media and devices, and by default it's turned on. Click here to turn it off. Now autoplay feature for all media and devices is turned off. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.